Hello. I wanted to take a minute to go over some feature functionality added into Create Batches in our 4.30 release, which released March 31st, 2020. Specifically, I want to talk about user interface changes that have been made. In this screen, we've actually added a few more fields into this screen lookup. Specifically, we've added the planned order number, as well as the status of the batch and the number of mixes. So these fields are now available to be seen and to be worked with on this particular screen. So planned orders and number of mixes, as well as the status. Once we get into a planned order or into a create batch, so I'm going to go ahead and create one real quick. We actually have the ability to remove one from the selection. So let me back up a second and pick up a couple. I'm going to pick up a couple of batches. I'm also going to tell the system that I'm wanting to create them by start date. So I want to actually create multiple batches. That's what I'm trying to demonstrate. So in this case, it's creating 3 different batches, and the reason it's doing that is because they have different start dates, and I just selected an option to do that. Now, I don't have to create all of them. Right now, they're pre-selected for all of them to be created. The new functionality has been added that we can hand select which batches are getting created. So these are previews of the batches about to be created. When I select this and I keep this one on and I say save new batches, the system goes and creates one batch on my part. That keeps me from having to unselect a planned order once I see what the batches are going to look like. We think it'll just help speed up your create batches process. So let us know if there are other user interface options that you'd like to see, particularly around create batches, but in other areas as well, and we're happy to get it into the application. Thanks a lot and have a great day.